Hello everyone, welcome to chapter 122 on my RLDR Custom Creations YouTube channel. It is the weekend edition, and for this weekend's edition, I'm just going to show you a short little clip of one little problem that I ran into when doing my hallway renovation. So if you want to see what that is, all you have to do is stay tuned. Well, it's been quite a week this last week at the Friesen compound here. Yeah, it started oddly enough. Uh, the boss here has been dealing with back pain for a while, but there was something new this week, and it's just debilitating. So we've been working with that all week. Thursday, I lost a lens for my new glasses. Now, it's embarrassing that I didn't notice it till I tried to clean them. And I sprayed the stuff on and I noticed it went right through. So that was kind of embarrassing. But I could actually see really good with just one lens. So who knows, maybe there's a new fashion trend here. But anyway, like I say, it's been one of those weeks. So I haven't worked on a whole pile of stuff other than, doing classes and the stuff that I'm kind of committed to during the week. The rest of the week has been involved in providing some support for the boss. So that's how my week has gone. But I did run into one thing that that was a little bit of a problem, and I've mentioned it before in previous videos. But I'm going to show you a problem that I ran into getting that the old vinyl, the sheet vinyl flooring backer off the floor. So if you're not sure how to do that, like I wasn't when I started this, pay attention to the upcoming clips. Well, on the last video that I shot of my hallway renovation, I was talking about the flooring a little bit, and I ended up taking a little bit more of the old flooring out than I anticipated. And it's been a little bit of a pain living like this because we had quite a busy week this last week, and I didn't progress. So this is being done on the weekend edition, so that kind of tells you how my week went. The very light surface you're seeing here, that is, okay, this used to have sheet vinyl flooring on it. And usually when that got taken out, like this has changed a bit over the years, usually you cut the vinyl and rip the vinyl off, and then you're left with getting the backer and the adhesive off. Well, many years ago, when I was still in business, I did a job in somebody's house, and the flooring person that I was talking to suggested using, now I believe it was Sunlight dish detergent, spraying it liberally and letting it soak and then scraping it off. I couldn't find any Sunlight dish detergent, and looking on the internet, they kept talking about the heat gun and scraping it. So I decided we're going to give that a try today. So, but basically, once I get this backer off, then I can screw this 1 foot of flooring down. And we also, the railing into the living room is going to look like this when it's done. And we thought that we could no longer get this style of baluster, but it turns out there's a small, I don't know if they're small or whatever they are, a regional lumberyard chain in New Brunswick, I believe, that we found them online, and apparently they're here in a week. So we will have enough to make everything match in the end. So that's really good. And then also I have to change the sole plate for the railing as well. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a little bit of a very, very boring job, which is vinyl cushion removing. So I will be back. Well, I played a little bit already. Got a little bit of a patch cleaned out here. It actually works really, really good. The heat gun, it doesn't take a whole lot of heat to get it to release. You could do it with a manual scraper, but I really like this oscillating tool that I have with a scraper attachment on it. It works really good. So, well, enough talk. Let's get at it. It doesn't take all that much heat. And it just tears off. And you just keep going. We'll do a little patch here. Well, I think that you kind of get the idea. I'm beginning to wonder if I would just take and heat a whole area and then just go along with this thing really quick, because it does not take much. And the nice thing about this is it gets everything off. Like if I have a little piece like back here, all I need to do is heat it. And then get the scraper to dig in, and it pulls it right off. So this, as much as I really don't like doing this, it probably won't take all that long. And then I can get back to the better aspects of this build again. So, well, with that in mind, that kind of brings the end, or it brings the weekend edition to an end. We are getting ever closer to 500 subscribers. We're a little over 450 now, so hopefully that can go quickly. I know these interior renovation videos don't do as well, but hey, like I said, it's what I'm doing and that's what I'm showing you. So I just wanted to remind you that Frosty, he's still here, and I'd really like to get him out of my house because he's such a bother. So if we could quickly get to 500, and then I could draw from, I think, the 8 names that I have. And if you'd like to get in on that draw, just make a comment in this video that you'd like to have Frosty, and I'll enter your name in that draw. So with that in mind, that brings this video to a close. We will probably, hopefully I can get the week edition out a little earlier next week. That's shooting on Thursday or Friday, and doing a video Friday and Saturday, and that's just too busy. So we'll try to see if we can have something up by Wednesday next week. So with that in mind, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.